power away, or just a few feet from the ground.
Precision daylight range over Europe, much lesser in the Pacific, but was found to be inadequate planted by the atomic bomb. 2017 Gene Roddenberry from Star Trek and Tom Landry from the Dallas Cowboys.
Now that is a noise that rumbles through your chest and makes you very happy. The Boeing Stearman biplane originally it taught pilots to fly before moving on to the larger aircraft, including the P-51. Pulling Bibby down into that wing walking rig over the top, goes slightly weightless, and you can see her waving away against about 130 miles an hour as they pull up again, 4G this time, pushing her down into that wing, and over the top she goes again. That smoke stream trailing behind the aircraft, building speed.
Какой войны в России, мой брат?
Handles are visible, no straps are twisted, and all pins are in place. They'll be preparing themselves mentally, psychologically for the display, and the adrenaline will be flowing. And there they go, the 2025 Royal Air Force Parachute Display Team, the Falcons! The red smoke trailing from their legs is created by smoke canisters attached to their boots, which were activated at the very last moment before jumping from the aircraft. We can see all 8 canopies have safely deployed as the team immediately begin maneuvering into the snake formation. For 2025, the team have been working on a dynamic routine over the winter months, and we hope you enjoy the visual spectacle as much as the Falcons enjoy flying it. They have built the snake butt formation by turning 180 degrees and back up to jump run direction. The team coach has now called for the helix split, with even numbers going right in a controlled turn on the central axis, along with odd numbers going left. The team maintained a constant radius between this manoeuvre, giving the visual effect of a helix strand. 5 miles an hour. They immediately make a turn into the very dynamic and signature carousel. slightly different with 2 of our flag bearers on the outside flying the Union Jack. This is a great photo opportunity as well. Before landing today, this is the Sabre Chase. You'll see the team essentially forming another snake, but this time with dynamic left and right turns before positioning themselves into the landing arena today. Smoke canisters on their boots so that they do run out, they are able to reapply smoke to get going again. As you can see, the smoke machine in front of us has gone off again. This is a wind indicator for the team coach, so he knows how to position the team ready so they can land safely into the arena. For the Royal Air Force Falcons! And Flight Sergeant, Flight Lieutenant, apologies, Alice Adam Cairns! We haven't quite finished just yet, as the team will be completing their lineup and official